To get fresh blood out of sheets, first rinse the sheets with cold water as soon as possible. Then apply a stain remover and machine wash the sheets to get the rest of the blood out. For dried blood stains, pour lemon juice or hydrogen peroxide over the stain if you have light-colored sheets. Let it soak in for at least 1 minute, then rinse your sheets with cold water. If you have dark-colored sheets, pour table salt over the stain and dampen the area with cold water. Then scrub the salt into the stain using a toothbrush. When the stain is gone, rinse off the salt. Another option for any color sheet is using unseasoned meat tenderizer. Just mix some of the tenderizer with a little bit of water to create a paste, and apply the paste to the stain using a spoon. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, then rinse the paste off. Whichever method you use, machine wash your sheets using cold water when you're done. Don't throw your sheets in the dryer until the stains are completely gone, or you could cause them to set.